BMW. For some drivers, it's the ultimate driving machine. For others, it's a warning sign that expensive repairs are just around the corner. You've probably heard someone say, "Never buy a used BMW," but is that advice actually true? Or has BMW earned an unfair reputation over the years? Today we're separating myth from fact. Welcome to AutoWalkthrough. We separate myths from facts so you know exactly what you're getting before buying your next car. Today we're looking at one of the biggest debates in the automotive world. Are BMWs really unreliable? BMW has spent decades building some of the most enjoyable driver's cars on the market. Their precise steering, balanced handling, and refined engines earned the company its famous slogan, "The ultimate driving machine." But performance often comes with added complexity. Older BMW models became known for cooling system failures, oil leaks, worn plastic components, and electrical issues. Those experiences shaped public opinion. Even today, many buyers still associate every BMW with those older reliability concerns. One of the biggest misconceptions is that BMWs simply break down for no reason. In reality, many problems begin when routine maintenance is delayed. Unlike many economy cars that can tolerate neglected service for a while, BMWs are engineered with tighter performance tolerances, ignoring warning lights, delaying coolant replacements, or stretching oil change intervals can quickly turn small repairs into expensive ones. Owners who stay on top of maintenance often report years of dependable driving. Even when a BMW doesn't require frequent repairs, ownership can still feel expensive. Luxury vehicles use more advanced electronics, specialized components, and performance-oriented engineering. Repair labor is often higher, replacement parts usually cost more, and diagnosing modern luxury vehicles often requires manufacturer-specific equipment. That's why BMW ownership isn't just about reliability. It's about understanding the true cost of maintaining a premium automobile. Another common mistake is treating every BMW the same. Reliability can vary significantly depending on the model, engine, model year, and maintenance history. Some engines have developed excellent long-term reputations. Others are known for recurring issues that buyers should research before purchasing. The badge alone doesn't tell the whole story. A well-maintained BMW with documented service history is often a much safer purchase than a neglected one with low mileage. If you're shopping for a used BMW, the smartest investment isn't a warranty, it's information. Ask for complete maintenance records. Have the vehicle inspected by an experienced European car technician. And avoid buying solely because the price seems too good to pass up. A cheap luxury car can become an expensive project if previous maintenance was ignored. So, do BMWs really break down all the time? The answer is mostly myth. BMWs aren't automatically unreliable, but they do demand more consistent maintenance and typically cost more to repair than many mainstream brands. If you're willing to maintain one properly, a BMW can be an enjoyable and rewarding car to own. If you're looking for the absolute lowest ownership costs, there are better choices. Which luxury brand should we investigate next? Mercedes-Benz, Audi, or does Lexus really deserve its reputation for reliability? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Walkthrough, where we separate myths from facts before you buy.